cowboy, gecko, owlet, rhino. Hi.
Hey everyone! Do you know PJ Mask?
Yeah.
That's our softy doll, and we can make all those heroes, and looks like one villain. Do you want to make them?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. But first let's see who actually we can make.
Gecko,
We can make Gecko, awesome! Who else we can make?
cowboy,
Catboy, sounds great. Is there anybody else we can make?
owlet,
Owlet, awesome! These are those three heroes. And we have also one villain. Who is gonna be?
rhino.
Romeo! Okay, so let's open the box. Here we got molds, and here we got the doll. Now let's see what doll we have. What color is this?
Blue,
What color is that one?
green,
And the last container is?
red,
We also have small containers. How about this color?
black,
And this one is?
purple,
How about this one?
beige,
It's beige.
beige,
And the last one is?
white.
White. Awesome job, Vivienne. Now let's check our molds. Here we have
Rhino,
Romeo. Here we have
owlet,
Owlet. Here we get
gecko,
Gecko. And this one is...
cowboy,
Alright, let's start with the Catboy then. What color is Catboy?
blue,
That means which Play-Doh container are we going to use?
this,
So let's use a blue mold and blue dough. Just press it and let's see if we can make Catboy. Now let's open the mold and see if it made the Catboy. There he is. And now we can make eyes. For that we are going to use
white,
white dough. Let's use the roll, make the flat. Now Catboy has eyes. All he needs is...
mouth,
That's right. For that we are going to use beige dough. So that's our Catboy. Now it's time to make
gecko,
Gecko. For that we are going to use green dough. And also we are going to use green mold for making Gecko. Now let's remove extra dough and open the mold. And here we got Gecko. Now let's cut off the extra dough and make eyes and mouth. There is Gecko. Now it's time to make Owlet. For that we are going to use red dough and also red mold to make Owlet. Now let's press it firmly. Now let's open the mold and here is Owlet. And here is Owlet. So here are our superheroes. All they need are logos. Blue for Catboy. Green for Gecko. And red for Owlet. And our heroes are complete. Now we can make Romeo. First let's use the white Play-Doh and create the body. That is our half Romeo. So now let's use beige and black Play-Doh to make the head. Now let's cut the head and use it for the white body. The same here. Let's cut the head. The head to the body. There we go. Now let's make black boots. We got boots, and let's replace them on the white body. All done. Now let's finish his white lab coat, this black stripe. There you go. Now let's make green gloves. Chop the gloves and replace white gloves with the green. All we have to do is give him a green glasses. And here is Romeo with super duper goggles. All he is missing is white hair. So let's add one white hair over there. Now let's complete our last figure. So here we got our Doh PJ Masks characters. Catboy, Gecko, Owlet, and Romeo.
Catboy, Gecko, Owlet, Romeo.
And also we got Paper Punch Out characters. We got Luna Girl, we got Night Ninja and Ninjalinos, and also a cat car. So that's gonna be all for today, guys. If you like our PJ Masks characters, give us thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.